Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.